Hey guys, so I did not even bother cleaning my room this morning because I am going to be totally redecorating for fall. I bought a bunch of supplies from Hobby Lobby, and I also have some stuff from previous years of decorations. I'm not really sure what I have, I kind of forget, so I got to pull that stuff out of the attic. So I'm going to first start with my bedding. Right now I have like a super thin gray one on for summertime. I don't even use my comforter in the summertime though. I just kind of use my heated blanket all year round, and then obviously when it gets to like winter I use a heated blanket plus my comforter. Alright, so we got a fresh bed to start. I'm gonna clean everything else. I'm gonna clear up the floor. I'm gonna wipe down all the glass and everything like I explained earlier. Just the normal cleaning. If you guys watch my cleaning videos, you already know the deal. Also, let me know down below if you guys prefer like a more ASMR cleaning. I know that's like been in with TikTok recently, or if you prefer like sped up with music, like a time-lapse type of deal, or if you like hearing like the sped up sounds of me cleaning. I don't know. I like both. I don't know what time this video is going to be going up, but I'm filming this and I'm starting decorating like towards the end of August. I think it's like the 20th today. So I know some people will think this is super early to decorate, but I think by the time this video goes up, it'll be perfect timing because I'm always usually a little bit delayed, like a video or two with my uploads. Also, since I'm not exactly sure what decorations I have in storage, I don't know where everything's going yet, especially because I have new stuff now. So I'm just going to decorate everything how it used to be, and then I can remove stuff or add stuff later. I swear, out of my whole room, this is the area that gets the dirtiest, not only because it has a glass tabletop, which is easy to clean, but it's also harder to keep up with because glass obviously shows like lots of fingerprints and streaks and stuff. Also, these wires are hopefully going to get hidden soon. I need to wait for my dad to install an outlet over here whenever he gets around to it. Ever since I rearranged my room, my TV used to be on that wall, which does have an outlet, but there are only 2 outlets in this room, so now one of them is behind my bed, so it's doing a lot of good back there. And then the other one is being used for like my whole vanity. So yeah, these are going to get run down in the wall and then plug into the outlet behind my dresser, so you're not going to see the wires at all. Not only will it hide those cords, but it'll also get rid of this extension cord that I have going from this side of the wall to my makeup vanity. Okay, so this is what we're looking at right now. I need to package all that stuff up. I have the bag in the attic, so when I go to get my old supplies out, I'll get that bag, I'll wrap up my old comforter. All the cleaning is basically done. So this is what we're looking at right now. Somebody has come to join, but she can't even get in. I gotta package all of my old bedding stuff away, but the packaging is in the attic, so I'm gonna get that out when I get all the other decor and stuff. But this and my makeup vanity are done. I gotta wipe down my mirrored closet doors, and then, oh. These fall leaves, I got new ones because these were like super cheap from the dollar store last year, so I'm gonna throw these out. And then all this other stuff is Halloween. This is like a mug that says Boo on it. Ghosts. But I'm going to give you guys a quick haul of everything I bought today on Hobby Lobby. Everything was 40% off, so that was nice. I got this to put in a vase that I got. Super cute. It's gold, which isn't my favorite, you guys know, but that's like kind of the whole like theme with fall. It's like orange, and I actually wanted to add color this year. If you guys can't tell already, I'm not a big color person, but I feel like it really can add the mood. I got a squirrel. This might be questionable to some people, but I love squirrels. Super random, but I think they go with fall and it matches the whole aesthetic. It's plain silver. I also got this black and white bless sign. It's super cute and it goes with like the whole fall, like Thanksgiving, because I am religious, if you guys didn't know. So this was $14. I also got this orange glass vase for $8. I was picturing putting this in here, like something like that. I don't know, we're gonna have to figure it out. This was also $5, I forgot to mention. A cute Hello Fall sign for $4. I got this super cute pumpkin. I know pumpkins are more for like Halloween, and I do have certain Halloween pumpkins that I'm gonna bring out when I do decorate for that time, but this one has like leaves in it, like that's like what makes the pumpkin. It's sparkly, it's super cute, orange. It was $20 and it just matches the whole vibe. And then lastly, this Plentiful Harvest candle that was $8. If you guys know me, I hate candles. but this like smells so good, and I am not one for like seasonal scents. Like I cannot be smelling no like Christmas, Noel for like winter time. Like I can't, like gingerbread cookies, none of that. I just like a fresh clean scent all year round. But fall is the one season that like the scents are like, it brings the whole thing together. Like I literally wish that you guys could smell this through the camera. It's amazing. It's not too strong either, because not only am I picky with scents, but I'm super sensitive to scents, so that's why I just kind of stay like plain fresh linen. But this is like perfect. It's orange peel, pumpkin, buttercream, nutmeg, clove, vanilla bean, and cassia, I don't know. Go to your Hobby Lobby and smell it. You'll love it, especially if you love scents. I don't like scents and I love it. So we are ready to start decorating. I didn't end up getting any pillows or blankets, which I'm kind of bummed about. I was gonna get this super cute plain pillow. It said Hello Pumpkin on it, but it was like $50. Never would you ever catch me spending $50 on a pillow. So we have my regular pillows. That's why I love neutral colors, because if I were to have like a pink themed room, I wouldn't be able to pair pink and orange. But since I have neutral colors, you can use them like all year round and like mix and match. So here's all the stuff we got to work with. I do have a smaller room, so I don't need like a bunch of decor, and I don't really have lots of like space to put stuff. So I'm gonna take off like this types of stuff and replace it with that. Okay. One thing, I do not like clutter. I don't know if I bought too much decor, but I don't know where I'm gonna put all this. I also forgot to mention this garland that I got, and this is a little cheapy looking. This, I always get like a tinsel or a garland to go around my bed frame, but their actual garlands were $70, which is obviously way too much. Even with a 40%, that would be like $50 or something, I don't even know. But this one was $6. It's still super cute. I was kind of leaning towards this one a little more than the garland anyway, and the price tag just sold me. I've literally been waiting to take this garland down just because every time I lay on my bed, they fall off and you have to like literally find them, and they fall down in the bed. It's just a hassle. They still work, but they're going in the trash. It'll look a lot better when I have my bedding and stuff on. I'm gonna have to put all of my like older decor away. I'm probably not gonna use all these pillows that I had with my old bedding just because these are super light and summery and it doesn't really go with the theme. I might keep this one. I know this one's not gonna go up. This one might. I also have this like dark gray fuzzy one that is gonna go a lot better. Ironically, it's like one of the hottest days of the year right now. It's like literally over 100 degrees, but the last couple days it's been like rainy and like foggy weather, and that's what made me want to decorate for fall, the weather. So it's just really unfortunate that it's like so hot today, the one day that I'm decorating for fall. But I'm now gonna go to Marshall's in Burlington, my favorite. I can't believe I haven't went there yet. I already went to Walmart and Hobby Lobby, but those are the only places I've been. They don't have a bunch, but they have some, mostly Halloween. I went back to Hobby Lobby and I picked up that super cute, like simple acorn. She's a lot bigger than I thought, almost as big as a squirrel, but I think it's still cute. They didn't have much at Target or Marshall's. Marshall's was mostly like Halloween decor. They didn't really have any fall. But I actually have to go to work now, so the next time that you guys will see me will be after I have all the decor that I need. I still need to get lights and a couple of little things, so yeah, my comforter will also be done by the next time you see me, so we'll be ready to finish off the decorating. It is now a couple days later. I spent just the last couple days just doing some extra things that needed to be done that weren't really worth recording, like putting away wash, making returns and stuff. So I have a couple things coming from Amazon that I might replace with some other decorations like that. I don't know if I really like it looks cute, but I ordered something that might look a lot better and not as cheap. I did end up moving some things around. As you can see, I added some old decor that I found in my attic, and I'm gonna wait till the final reveal to show you guys like everything all together. Those Amazon items are probably gonna come by the time I'm in work, so you guys will probably get a tour by tonight. So yeah, stay tuned. So I wanted to wait till nighttime to film the final tour because I had to set up a couple of decorations and it looks a lot better at nighttime with all the lights. So here is the final. So I'm going to turn on the light just so you can see a lot better. Obviously it looks way cooler at nighttime with all the ambient orange lighting, but that's what I was kind of going for. Like, I love how this still looks super fall with all the orange tones and like all the fall decor with leaves and stuff, but it's also kind of giving me like ready for Halloween vibes but not yet Halloween. I ended up returning that big fluffy garland back to Hobby Lobby just because it was a little bit too chintzy. It was just like way too big for back there. These are off of Amazon, as well as these white lights, so they look like this. But if you guys were interested in just buying the leaves, they still do come with lights. They're just more like white lights, and I was going for more like orange ambient lighting, so I added them on top. These were like $8. I'll list them down below, as well as these lights were $7. These lights right here that are like lining around my makeup vanity, I think were like $10, and it came in a 2-pack, so they're like super long. This right here is just one, and then I have another one in this jar. I also ended up returning that sparkly pumpkin. It was super cute, but it was a little bit too vibrant of an orange for me, so I found this one that I did have in storage. And you of course can't forget about the Hello Fall sign. Also, it's kind of raining outside, so it sets the entire mood. Like, I am obsessed with everything. But yeah, that was it for this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below if you guys are going to be decorating for fall and Halloween or just one or the other. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on all my post notifications so you get a notification in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys.